Number 8, pukul for 3. Bola, rebound by Bomay. Ina-steal na number 11. Bola ng Team Mercado. Isang kalamangan ng Team Mercado. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Quintana, dribble. Quintana, pass to number 29. Kevin Andres, bola. Rebound by number 23. Pass to number 8, pukul. Pukul, dribble the ball. Turn around, shot. Basket jam, 2 points by Pugol. 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Pugol reload. 29. Pass to Bomay. Bomay, lumipat na 8 minuto. 2 point shot by Bomay. Number 8, Pugol. Pass to 16. Back to Feliciano. Steal by Bomay. Bomay, dribble the ball. Pass to Quintana, back to Bomay, Bomay, 2 points. Boboy, dribble the ball. Back to number 23, Chacha, Traveling. 24, Gonzalez, pass to number 29, Rico. Rico, dribble the ball. Pass to Gonzalez. 1 minute to Beresha. 6 minutes 15 seconds. Pugol, dribble the ball. Pugol. Side step shot. Basket jam. 2 points by Pugol. Bomay. Bomay, sumalaksak, wala. Everyone by number 29, Rico. Pass to Bomay. Back to number 16, Steele. And Pugol. Pugol. Pinasa, get ball. Isa lang ang kalamangan ng Team Mercado. Feliciano. Tumira, basket yan kay Feliciano. Hulamang na ang bikutan ng isa. 17-16. Hulamang ng bikutan. Rico, dribble the ball. Pass to Quintana. Quintana. 2 points by Quintana. Change favor. Hulamang ng Mercado ng isa. 18-17. 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Feliciano. Rodriguez. Gonzalez. Rebound by Pugol. Pugol dribble the ball. Number 16 rebound the ball. Pass to Pugol. Pugol, back to number 16. Number 16. Pasa rebound ni Granada. Rebound by Bomay. Steal by Bomay. Bomay, sumalaksak. 5, shot to shoot. Pasok na po. Labas na po yung lalabas. Pasok ang pumasok. Team Mercado. Boboy, pass to number 9. Back to Pepe. 2 points by number 12. Hadilia. Dinawanaw. Pass to Santiago. Back to Team Nawanaw for 3. Rebound by Hadilia. Pass to number 8. Pugol. Pass to number 9. Back to Pugol. Pugol. Lumira na 3. Pugol.
Second.
Dalawa na para mga ng SMP Bulat. 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Santiago. Dribble the ball. Pass to Dinawanaw. Back to Galvez. Pass to number Dilion. Back to Galvez. Galvez for 2. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 12. Padilla. May tabal, may foul. Foul number 5, Uji foul. First personal foul. Seti foul. Okay. Sige. Sablay ang unang tira. Sablay. Iwan by Gales. Pass to Dinion. Dinion, nagmama Dinion. Naiwanan ang bola. Dinion again, 2 points by Dinion. Number 8, Pugol. Dribble the ball. Pugol. Pugol again. 10 second shot na. 5 second shot na. Maniago. Dribble the ball. Miran Andres. Wala. Iban by Matias ini. After Dinawana. Dinawana for 2. Kasih shot. Number 9. Dribble the ball. Number 9. Pass to Pukoy. Good. 2 minutes. Maniago. Pass to Dinawana. Dalawang kalamangan ng Team Mercato. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Galvez. Tumalasa. Rabili. Ay. Ba? Rabili no? Rabili clearation. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan ng Team Mercato. Score natin. 24-22. Wala nga. Pabili tayo. Number 9. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 11. Line number 18. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by King. Number 7. Back to Dinawana. Dinawana. Dribble the ball. Sudah dapat. Basket yan by Dinawana for 2. Score natin. 26-22. Apat ang kalamangan ng Team Mercato. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Pugol, dribble the ball, 15 second shot na. Pass to number 3, tumira ng 3, wala, rebound pa rin. Tulak ka dyan, Valdez. Number 3, foul. Second personal foul, second team foul. Unang gusto, wala. 52 seconds na lang natitira sa ating second quarter. 52 seconds. Pangalawang tira, wala again. Rebound niya again. Tumas na. 47 seconds. Video, dribble the ball. Jump ball.
Hindi ka naman kasi point guard dito.
Save ball. 42 seconds. Number 5, dribble the ball. Pass to Dinawana. Dinawana, pass to Dinion. Kirira, may foul. Foul number 3. First personal foul. First team foul. 30 seconds. Pasok ang unang tira. Pangalawang gusto, wala. Rebound by number 8, Pukoy. Pukoy, dribble the ball. Steal by Galvez. Galvez sa kapitan. Rebound na Kuya King. Kuya King sa kapitan